What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to episode 25 of Fairy Tale. So we last left with Elfman fighting the Elemental 4 guy, the French guy, and he lost control and went into full takeover mode. So let's see if he can regain control and beat this guy and save Mira.
When did I get back home? I thought we were in the middle of some
He's back
kind of
home?
fight. I wonder if it was all just a dream.
Yep, it was nothing but a dream. Oh, Miss Lucy, I'm
so...
Make me something.
What happened?
Is something moving under the sheets?
Drip, drip, drop.
What?
You're creeping me out!
Drip, drip, drop.
Drip, drip, drop.
Leave me alone.
Lucy,
Oh, that was a dream.
it's just a dream. Wake up.
This guy.
Out of my room! Hold on a sec. What the? This isn't my room at all!
No, it is not.
A flower blooms in the rain.
Back to the fight.
Did it.
A full body takeover. Beast soul.
Don't lose control again.
No.
What did he turn into?
I wasn't trying to
Kind of
hurt
like
you. I simply wanted to help
Demon
you.
King?
I thought that putting you through that trial might help you get over your painful memories. Excusez-moi, faux pas. You are truly the crème de la crème of manly men. Vous êtes incroyable, n'est-ce pas?
Smack him like you did with your
I
sister.
should be going now. Toodaloo.
Oh.
Curse you!
Oh, that was an S.
No, you never should have let your guard down like that.
Oh, you messing with the wrong guy now. Oh, he's really punching him.
That's enough.
Oh, it's not enough. Knock him out. Oh. He's like, get back in there. I'm not done with you. Did he really lose control again? Oh, there he is.
Elfman,
What the heck?
I want to talk to you. Can you hear me? I'm worried. Please don't tell me you've lost
Imagine he just like talks normal. He had control this whole time.
I'm sorry, Mira. I promised I wouldn't try a full-body takeover ever again. And after what happened to Lizana, I thought I never would.
Did he turn smaller?
Still in control.
I thought he was like way bigger.
But I didn't have any other choice. I knew that this was the only way
Oh,
I
look,
could
he controlled
protect
it.
you and the rest of Fairy Tale.
Please, stop being
He did it like a real man.
Lizana. It wasn't your fault. You didn't do anything wrong. You were just trying to protect us.
Is the other guy done?
Miserably. I killed my little sister.
Yeah, you kind of smacked her across the
But your big sister's
forest there.
Mira Jane.
We said we'd live our lives
Mira Jane.
for
I
her.
thought her name was Mira, or is that just short for Mira
To keep her
Jane?
memory alive so she'd live on in our hearts forever.
Big sis! I'm so glad you're okay!
Come on. What's with all the tears all of a sudden?
I can't help it!
You saved me. Thanks, Elfman.
What is it? What's the matter?
It's not drawing the magic circle as fast as before.
Yeah, now's not the time.
Abyss Break is the forbidden spell of the 4 elements, and those are air, fire, water, and earth. The element 4. Do you have any idea how many of them are left?
Well,
I mean,
2.
I guess that leaves 2 more.
That must be it. Each time one of them is beaten, the giant slows down.
Yeah? But why?
Because it's being powered by the element 4. If we can defeat the other two, then we can stop the giant from casting the Abyss Break spell.
Really? You think so?
50%.
We have to hurry. The other
You only
two are
need 2
probably
more.
somewhere inside the giant.
The weird crying guy and the drip drip drop girl. Let's go. Where are they?
Made it out okay.
Oh, what happened to her?
Don't worry about me. Just focus on the enemy. We have to protect Fairy
What's her
Tale.
power? She's like Gambit, throwing cards around. See?
Listen up. If we're gonna beat these creeps, we gotta cover more ground.
I don't know what it is about our guild, but our ladies are ridiculously strong.
Hey, where'd Loki run off to?
He said he was gonna go check the hideout because he had a bad feeling about it.
What? You mean he ditched us?
He's making sure they're
He booked
okay
it.
because if the Abyss Break is cast, they'll be in trouble too.
That's true.
Besides, Loki's hunches are usually right. Hey, I just thought of something awesome, Happy!
What is it?
When we beat Josei, I bet it'll finally put an end to all this crazy fighting!
Are you completely
He's going straight for the master?
just as strong, if not stronger, than Master Makarov? There's no way you can beat him.
Well, Gramps is out of commission, so it's gonna have to be up to somebody else to beat that jerk.
Not you, you dummy! I was trying really hard not to think about that, but then you had to go and remind me.
Do what?
Now I'm bummed. Without Master Makarov and Urza with us, there's no
Okay, he
hope.
just turned green for a
Based on
little.
the giant
Lost his
attack
power. He'll be
against
back.
Josei.
Don't worry, I can handle him.
I hope.
Come on.
Who would be Guildmaster if he dies?
I don't know what
Urza?
it is about him. The Master and Urza are definitely stronger wizards. But Natsu's got something special that gives everybody hope.
The hell was that?
How sad.
Oh, it's him.
Will make your wings of fire wither and fall. And all that will remain is a dragon's corpse.
Say what?
Watch out. This guy's one of the element
I mean,
4.
he's pretty cool.
My name is Ari.
Little weird though.
I am the strongest of the element 4.
Oh, the
I've come in
strongest.
hopes of hunting a dragon.
Let me guess, you're a wind wizard, right? I've dealt with your kind before.
Yeah, but this guy's
He
a
took
lot
out
stronger
Makarov.
than Aragorn.
I just realized something. Are all wizards just based on 4 elements?
That's weird. When did it start?
Except for Celestials, because they can summon.
Drip, drip, drop. Hello. My name is Julia, and I am the Rain Woman of the Element 4.
Rain Woman.
Drip, drip.
Oh, come on. Ice versus water.
Two. Then bring it on.
I must say, I'm impressed your guild was able to strike down 2 of the elements. However,
Why is Gray always fighting like his own element? First it was ice versus ice, and now ice versus
You're
water.
looking for a fight, I'll give you one. But let's get something straight. I'm not gonna hold back just because you're a chick.
Freeze everything, it's raining. What?
well then, I give up.
What the hell was that?
Bye.
Where are you
She didn't even fight
Come
me.
back and fight me!
She didn't even fight him.
There must be something wrong with me. Why is my heart beating so fast?
Would you at least tell me how to stop the giant?
Oh
I have
no.
a strong urge to make him mine. I just can't help myself anymore. Waterlock!
Oh. Was that a trick?
Oh no, what have I done? He's injured. I had no idea he was hurt. I don't know what to do.
Does she like him because he's ice?
Release him.
There you go.
He must be an ice wizard. He froze my waterlock and broke free. I've never witnessed the
Oh my
power of
God.
ice magic. It's beautiful. I'm water. He's ice.
This is gonna be
We must be
an
bound.
easy match for Gray.
I can't believe I finally found my handsome prince.
You almost got me with that sneak attack you pulled. You're playing dirty.
What? Oh, he's still injured.
But I'm not ready for this. We just met. Can't we take things slowly?
I really don't want to fight a girl, but I will if I have to. So you better surrender, otherwise I'm gonna have to hurt you. Ice make live!
Oh, what the?
My body is made entirely of water.
Oh, I thought he killed her just in like one hit.
Drip, drip, drop. Yes, I mustn't forget.
He's made of
my
water?
love is also my enemy. We're on opposite sides of this war. I have no choice but to attack. It seems this is farewell, my prince. Water Slicer!
Damn.
When given the proper amount of force, water is strong enough to rip through steel. Underestimate its powers, and you'll find yourself in a world of pain.
Ice make battle axe!
Come on, that didn't work. She's made of
See that you're
water.
just wasting your time. Your attack
Freeze her.
had no effect on my body made of water. None at all. Drip, drip, drop.
Drip,
Now what
drip,
do I
drop.
do?
No matter what you do, you cannot beat me. But there is one way you and your guild may be spared. All we ask is that you hand over Miss Lucy Hartfilia. Do that,
Why are they
and
so
I will
obsessed
ask
with her?
my master to call off his attack on Fairy Tale.
Oh, come on, don't give me that crap. You and I both know we're past the point of no return. Besides, Lucy's one of us. I'd rather give my life than hand her over to you.
Yeah.
He'd rather give his life. Give his life. Give
Oh
his
no.
life. Lucy's my rival. Lucy's my rival. Lucy's my rival. He loves her.
Oh, she went crazy.
Oh, the pain! How can fate be so cruel? My heart feels like it's been shred to bits. It hurts. Oh, it hurts.
What's wrong? Are you feeling sick or
What
something?
is going on? Oh, that's a creepy image.
Lucy Hartfilia cannot be allowed to live.
Grace, like, what the heck is going on with her?
Lucy Hartfilia cannot be allowed to live.
Oh,
It burns. What's your deal? And what's your problem with Lucy?
she can heat up her water?
Ice make so fast. I don't know if my maker magic can keep up.
Oh, don't fall.
Man, that was close.
Ever since the day I was born, I have been followed by the rain. It gives me strength. It makes me invincible. Prepare to be scalded by my jealous rain!
She always has a cloud over her head.
You jealous of? Ice make shield.
Oh, that was quick.
This water is boiling hot. I can't keep this up for long.
Like I told you, I am at my most powerful in the rain. You'll never be able to defeat me.
Gotta stop the
He uses
rain.
Steam as a smokescreen. He's not just handsome, he's actually smart too. I really am in love.
Come on.
I can't waste any more time on this crazy water chick. I gotta figure out how
Oh
to
yeah, or
stop the
fight her
giant.
inside. There's no rain in here. Or not.
It's all over now!
Oh yeah!
He jumped into the scalding water.
Freeze up!
There you go. Freezer, yes.
I should be angry he froze my boiling water. But
Is that what you think? I didn't mean to.
Oh, come on.
embarrassed. Will I be stuck like this forever?
Sorry.
Well, the ice disappeared like instantly.
He released me. He's such a nice guy.
Hey, let's just start over, okay?
Let's not. Honestly, I don't want to hurt you, so there's no point in us fighting anymore.
Is this your weird way of admitting you can't beat me?
You know I'm
She
much
gives up.
stronger than Lucy. If you'd let me, I would be happy to protect you.
Protect me?
Did she switch side?
Well,
What just
anything that
happened?
might hurt you. 'Cause I think that you're so...
Is it just me, or is this rain getting worse?
Oh, this is so frustrating!
It won't let up. Man, this rain is so gloomy.
It's her rain.
Something wrong?
He's gonna defeat her with words.
But he's just like all the rest. How could you be so
Oh, she's mad again.
What's with you?
I won't let my feelings sway me any longer!
I'll just have to freeze it again.
Every one of the elemental four is so weird.
Where she goes, it's rainy and gloomy. It's true. I am a rain woman.
Man, what a gloomy day. What's this dumb-looking doll thing?
Oh. Then she made a lot of them.
Can't you do something about the rain? We can't ever do anything outdoors. No fishing, no camping.
I'm sorry, but I don't have any control.
Is that the guy from episode 1?
Well, I can't handle all this gloom. I think we should see other people.
This rain is totally gloomy.
Yeah, it makes you feel gloomy too.
Oh no. So gloomy is like her worst, her trigger word.
I've lived my entire life as a gloomy rain woman, but Phantom Lord looked past that. They welcomed me with open arms. I am one of the Element Four, a proud Phantom Lord wizard.
What the hell?
Be proud to be with this. You and your guild are going down.
He froze it again.
He even turned the rain to ice. He's amazing.
Ice make geyser.
Geyser. Oh, she fell.
It's all over now. I'm going to fall to the ground and splatter.
And splatter.
Just like a rain.
Jesus.
I suppose
He's gonna
it's
save
bad
her.
For a rain woman who no one wants. Farewell, gloomy Juvia.
Just hold on, okay? I promise I won't let you fall.
Are they gonna be a thing?
Why did you save me?
Just cuz. Now get some rest.
You saved my life.
You good? Starting to cool down a bit?
Oh, the sun came out. No more gloomy rain.
It stopped.
Hey, look. The sun is coming out.
The blue sky. I've never seen it before.
Seriously?
Don't stare at the sun.
Well, there you go. It's pretty, don't you think?
It is. It's truly beautiful.
So, you want to go at it?
What?
Hey, what's the matter? Is something wrong? Talk to me, Juvia. You all right?
What?
Answer me.
Just.
Feels like we've been out here forever.
Well, there's only one left now. The crying guy.
Bad for my heart. We have got to put an end to this.
Hey, doesn't it seem like the giant's being turtleish right now?
Huh? Say what about turtles?
She's trying to say the giant's moving slowly. Try thinking before you speak, Lockie.
It made perfect sense to me. You guys are just dense.
Natsu and the others are inside doing their best to stop that thing. And now, we're gonna lend him a hand.
Oh, how?
The last thing they need are these things distracting them. We gotta wipe them out!
It's time for us to take care of business, kids. Now let's do this!
So the same thing they've been doing this whole time?
Hey, what's Mira doing here?
So you took down another one of the elements.
Jeez.
Why does she have that creepy grin on her face?
I don't know. Must be having a good dream or something.
There's only one left. If we can defeat them, I think that'll stop the abyss break.
Mira just figured it out. The energy of the element 4 is what's powering
Go help
the giant.
Natsu.
We can do this. Right, guys? Oh, so Mira put me to sleep to protect me?
Then we brought you
We.
to our emergency hideout.
I guess they just didn't want me to fight. I know I couldn't do a whole lot without my keys, but I'm not helpless.
You've got it all wrong. Nobody thinks you're helpless.
Wait, nobody picked
We're
up her
simply
keys?
Trying to protect one of our own. That's all there is to it.
But still, I can't just sit here and do nothing while they're all fighting to protect the guild. I have to go back and help them.
I can't let you do that. Mira gave me strict orders to keep you here.
That's not fair!
Oh no. They found you.
No! What's that? Who's trying to get in?
Just stand back, Lucy.
Oh, the music's building up.
You've endured my attacks and you're still standing. Very impressive.
How does he see if his eyes are covered?
Natsu's getting beat bad. I've never seen anything like this. It's totally a one-sided fight.
Let's see how you fare against my airspace magic. This will truly test your power.
Airspace.
I don't see no airspace magic.
Oh.
An invisible spell? How's he supposed to fight that?
You're much stronger than I thought, Salamander.
I could take whatever you dish out. Never underestimate the power of a fairy tale wizard. I'm all fired.
Yeah, get him.
So let me see what you got.
You need some flames to eat. So that was a fun episode. So we only have one elemental for a guy left, which is the wind guy, the guy who took out Makarov. And I guess Gray found his new lover, because she's pretty crazy about him. Not sure why, maybe because he's ice and she's water. But yeah, I wonder if she's gonna switch side and help them, or maybe she's just gonna leave the Phantom Lord Guild.